school. So today we are going to see about organic reactions. So under organic reactions we are going to see substitution reaction. So substitute is replacing something, right? So here if you take methane as an example, and when it reacts with Cl2, chlorine. So when it reacts with chlorine molecule, so this gives you a methyl chloride and HCl. But you need to, this reaction will happen in the presence of UV light or sunlight. So when these two react, they will get methyl chloride. So in this case, chlorine replaces an hydrogen atom from methane. So if you take methane, so here the radical, you can say it has radical substitution also. So when methane dissociates, two radicals CH3 and hydrogen radical you are getting. And when Cl2 dissociates, two Cl radicals you are getting, right? So when this compound again when it is treated with Cl2 under UV light, you are getting dichloromethane. So dichloromethane, here you can see one hydrogen and another hydrogen replaced by Cl. So CH2, Cl2. So the name of this compound is dichloromethane. Dichloromethane plus HCl. So again when dichloromethane, it's a chain reaction. So when again Cl2 molecule reacts with dichloromethane, you will get chloroform. It's otherwise called, you can say, trichloromethane. So chloroform. So when the chloroform, again you can see one more hydrogen over there. So again the chloroform reacts with Cl2, you will get carbon tetrachloride. But here no hydrogen atoms. So from this you can identify that when methane, in the case of methane, so till there is no hydrogen, the substitution takes place, right? So it substitutes the hydrogen atoms only. So when the chain starts, when the reaction starts, when there is no hydrogen. So this is what happening in substitution reaction. So thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.